Hey guys, this is Zoe from CJdropshipping. It has been months that we share ways to find winning products, and we got really great feedback for that video. And recently, I just learned a new trick for finding the hot-selling products from Facebook. It's really easy, copy and paste works, and I believe everyone can do it after watching this video. I can't wait to share with you guys. This is really juicy episode. Make sure you will watch until the end. Like to show your support. Always remember to subscribe to us, CJdropshipping. Ring the bell so you won't miss out any product recommendations and dropshipping tricks. No more trash talk, let's dive into the content. First of all, I will briefly explain the principle just in case you guys were getting lost in the following operations. If you know a little bit about Facebook advertising, you will know that Facebook often recommends products video for suitable audience. If the product video performs well and gets many engagement on Facebook, such products are generally potential winning products. If we pick out a product that has been certain amount of engagements in shorter period of time, and there are not many people advertise it, then we can follow in the heat in selling these products. So the tricky part is how you can get access with all the high quality Facebook ad push. This is how are we going to do. We want Facebook to mistake we bought these products from Facebook ads. Once you bought these products, it will define you as a high-quality customer. Then Facebook will keep delivering a high-quality dropshipping ads to you. That's the whole theory of how to find winning products from Facebook ads. Now let's move to my screen. I will show you step by step. First, we will need to install two apps: Facebook Pixel Helper and Hot Ads. I will explain later why we need these two apps. I use Chrome as my browser and I have pre-installed these two apps. Now move to my Facebook page, search 50% off. And because of discount, that's a common trick we do when promoting. So the search results after applying 50% off can be greatly narrowed down to the dropshipping ads. Then we filter it under video and set a date posted at this week. Here are all the searching results. You can see that all the latest dropshipping video ads, we can see when this video released and how many views it got. Just randomly pick the one you like. This one looks nice. Click the ads, hit the like and click see more and click the product link. Look at these, definitely dropshipping stores. Add to cart and move to checkout page. It's a turn to show off our first app. When we open the Facebook Pixel Helper at the checkout page, we can view our current status as Initiate Checkout. If we continue to click it, we will see a bunch of information about this page. However, there are only two pieces of information that are important here: content IDs and value. I have prepared a paragraph of code. Now what we have to do is fill in the two important information we were talking about. I have posted code down in the description and you guys can try it out later. Really easy copy and paste work. Just copy paste the content ID to the X and the value to Y. After you fill in the necessary information, just copy the entire paragraph of the code, right click and select Inspect. Choose Console on the right of upper corner, then paste the code and press Enter. It will say Undefined. Now we open the Facebook Pixel Helper again and our current status has changed to Purchase. Our above steps are to make Facebook believe that we enter the products page and complete the purchase action through the Facebook ad push. Now let's go back to the Facebook page. It will continue to push us high-quality dropshipping ads. Guys, we're not finished yet, only halfway now. Now we open up another app, Hot Ads. It can help you block all the posts that are unrelated to ads. Look at these. It's all the dropshipping ads now. We can start to select great products among these ads now. One more trick to share with you guys. At the top right of each ad, we can see more info. Click it, it will lead to Ad Library, which will show how many people are advertising these products, how many ads are using the same or similar creative in the contact, when it's launched, etc. All this information can effectively help you distinguish which products can be sold and help you decide your advertising strategy for the specific product. Now that we have found the right product, we're going to find a suitable supplier. It's time for CJ to step in. Really easy work, still copy and paste work. Go to CJdropshipping.com. On the right upper corner, choose sourcing. It will lead us to the sourcing page, choose individual products, and then it's a copy and paste work. Copy and paste the product's name and URL and fill in all the rest of information like product tag, targeting price, and destination country. Remember to select dropshipping and click submit. All the steps have been completed. CJ will complete the product sourcing within 48 hours. After that, we will get the product's price and shipping cost. If you want to know more about sourcing, please check our tutorial video or contact with our agent. I have posted all the links down in the description. That's all for today's video about how to find the winning products from Facebook. Really easy copy and paste work, and the apps I was mentioned were totally free. If you guys have any alternative of this app, please comment below, let us know. Our team really has spent a lot of time testing out all kinds of methods of selecting winning products. Please give us a thumbs up to show your support and subscribe to our channel CJ Dropshipping. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest with your friends or coworkers. Thank you for watching it. See ya next time. Bye!